Alright guys, so today we're doing a little bit of a different video, but I wanted to show you guys what I got here. Obviously you see it in the title probably already. I have ordered a D4S Nikon, and I believe it has something insane like 500 something thousand shutter clicks on it. And the reason I did that is because I don't shoot more than 1 to 2,000 photos per year, and I wanted something really good, and it was also a deal. So if this was going to be a primary camera for somebody who's doing 20,000 clicks a year and needs it to be reliable all the time, then probably wouldn't have gotten this. But for me, it will do the job pretty well. So this is from MPB.com, which is a used online camera store that offers a 6-month warranty, and they fully test everything. And they do have really good deals, actually a lot of the times better than what you can find on eBay. So that's the reason I went with them. It's not sponsored or anything like that, but I just wanted to mention that in case you're looking for any sort of used equipment. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what comes in the box with them. Might have opened it upside down. There's something in there. Let's go ahead and see what they gave us in this one. I'm actually not for sure what that is. Possibly some covers for something on the camera. Now, I did have a D3 back in the day, so this is basically the upgraded version. Oh yeah, the big boy camera charger. There's the battery. I don't know if it comes with 2 or just the 1. We got a mini USB wire and your adapter for that, and then what looks to be a brand new D4S strap, which would be very nice. This is definitely the camera, and that's all that's in the box. So let me get this refocused. Cool. So let me see if I can zoom in there. So they qualified this as heavily used, which I think there's heavily used, poor, and then for parts. So this is one of the actually most beat up ones that was on there. Was the cheapest one, but it wasn't the highest shutter count, if you can believe it or not. I think really the only difference between this one and the next cheapest one that had more shutter counts was this scratch on the screen, which I literally don't care about cosmetic damage as long as it's not interrupting any functionality with it. So as you can see, I'm going to see if I can focus in a little bit closer here and show you guys the damage. Well, it's not really damage, it's just heavy wear. It's just cosmetic. Mostly on the bottom and the side by the buttons. The top side is pretty good. So let's see. I feel like there's not a battery in here. Nope, there's no battery in there. I forget that these have these separate clips. And if I remember, you just end up snapping these in. Alright, so I just had to fumble with that for too long, but there's this clip right here which locks it in solid, and you have to pull that clip back for it to go in, and then it snaps in, and then you drop it in like that. Yeah, battery's flashing, so it's not going to let me go through it or anything like that, but that is it, guys. I'm going to just end out the video here. I just wanted to give you guys a look on what, you know, professional tool that's really actually been used probably professionally its entire life. You never know with stuff that has high usage like this. It makes me think that it possibly was a professional, or maybe even a picture that we've seen somewhere. Just really makes you think about something like that. So I'm going to get that battery charged and get this set up, and maybe we'll have some other videos about this thing, and that'll be pretty much it. So anyway, we will talk to you guys later. Take care.